A for apple, and A for airplane. B for ball, and B for bat. C for cat, and C for crown. D for drum, and D for duck. E for elephant, and E for eraser. F for fox, and F for flower. G for giraffe, and G for gate. H for helicopter, and H for house. I for ink, and I for igloo. J for jam, and J for joker. K for kettle, K for kite. L for lemon, and L for lollipop. M for mango, and M for man. N for necklace, and N for newspaper. O for ostrich, and O for orange. P for parrot, and P for pineapple. Q for question mark, and Q for quill. R for rocket, and R for rainbow. S for shop, and S for snake. T for train, and T for tomato. U for umbrella, and U for unicorn. V for van, and V for vest. W for whale, and W for watch. X for xylophone, and X for x-ray. Y for yellow, and Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, and Z for zip. Subscribe for more videos easy to learn.